This vacuum cleaner, PRETTYCARE, is pretty great. It's got 2 speeds, although you really only need the first speed. It stands up all on its own, so you don't have to hang it up. It's pretty cool. This head pivots and it's got a great light on it. It's really effortless and it's really easy to do stairs. That light makes it so that you can see all the little, you can't see it on video, but anything on the floor, really easy to see. These wheels are rubber, so it doesn't leave any marks on your floor. And then, really cool part is I gotta do it with my other hand. You can break this middle section into 2, and it's really easy. If I can get it. It's really easy to like get under your bed or your table and stuff like that. You don't have to fight it. You just kind of, instead of getting all the way down like this and bending over, you can just do it real nice and easy like that. So pretty great. And then emptying it is pretty cool, especially if you have kids. You just touch this button down here, the bottom falls out, and there you go. To give you some like extra filters and stuff like that. Pretty quick charging, and yeah, looks good. It's quiet. I think my favorite part is that it stands up on its own and it's got a really great light down there. So the price is right too. Can't beat it.
Overall pretty solid. Build is good compared to the other one that I have. It's nice, it's solid. It's got good suction. It's pretty basic, has 2 speeds, counting for the price. Probably my biggest gripe is there's no mount charging. You have to plug it in every time. So not a huge deal, but the whole thing mounts on this and then you have to plug it in. There's also no place for your attachments. So like my other one, the mount, for example, has notches for your attachments to go on. So you just have to keep your attachments in a drawer and your extra parts in a drawer. Otherwise, pretty solid. It does good, the speed is good. It's not very loud. Got nice headlights, so that's my favorite because you can see all the dirt. And then 2 speeds. It's not too bad. Easy to ride on, rolls really smooth, tips up great. Transitions to carpet with no issues. And feels like it has a pretty good pull on the carpet as well.
Am I tripping, or does this look used? Look at those stains. Look at that.